Welcome to Inorganic Chemistry Practical class. The title of the experiment is Determination of chromium 3 and iron 3 in a mixture by kinetic masking method. This video is brought to you by Dr. Harshendra K and Dr. Asma, Department of PG Studies in Chemistry, Government Science College, Hassan. Kinetic masking is a special case in which a metal ion does not effectively enter into the complexation reaction because of its kinetic inertness. Thus, the slow reaction of chromium 3 with EDTA makes it possible to titrate other metal ions which react rapidly, such as iron 3, without interference from chromium 3. So, which is illustrated by the determination of iron 3 and chromium 3 in a mixture by kinetic masking method. Reagents required for this experiment are 0.01 molar lead nitrate solution, 0.01 molar zinc sulfate solution, 0.01 molar EDTA solution, hexamine, buffer solution of pH 10, xylenol orange indicator and eriochrome black tea indicator. This experiment consists of three steps. Step 1 is standardization of EDTA solution. Step 2 is estimation of iron. Step 3 is estimation of chromium. For the standardization of EDTA solution, take the EDTA solution in the burette and pipette out 10 ml of the zinc sulfate solution in a conical flask. To that, add 3 ml of buffer solution of pH 10 and eriochrome black tea indicator. Shake the solution and titrate it against the EDTA solution till the color changes from wine red to blue. Note down the burette reading and repeat the experiment until you get the concordant values. From burette readings, molarity of EDTA was calculated by substituting molarity of zinc sulfate, volume of zinc sulfate and volume of EDTA. For the estimation of iron, take the standard lead nitrate solution in the burette and pipette out 10 ml of the metal mixture in a conical flask. Place it on a magnetic stirrer. Dilute this solution with 20 ml of water and to this add 20 ml of EDTA solution. Add hexamine to maintain the pH of the solution between 5 to 6. Add few drops of xylenol orange indicator. And titrate this solution against standard lead nitrate solution till the color changes from orange to violet red. Note down the burette reading and repeat the experiment till you get the concordant values. Do not discard this solution as we'll be using the same solution for the next step. From burette readings, volume of EDTA was calculated by multiplying molarity of lead nitrate with volume of lead nitrate and dividing it by molarity of EDTA. The volume of EDTA consumed is equal to 20 minus 9.19, which is the volume of EDTA calculated, will give the value of 10.81 ml. Molarity of iron in the mixture is calculated by multiplying the molarity of EDTA with volume of EDTA and dividing the obtained value with volume of metal mixture. Similarly, amount of iron in liter of the mixture solution is calculated by multiplying the molarity of iron with molecular weight of iron. To the previously titrated solution, 20 ml of EDTA solution was added and few drops of 1 molar nitric acid was added to maintain the pH between 1 to 2. The solution was boiled for 15 minutes until it is reduced to half. After boiling, it was cooled and diluted to 100 ml with distilled water, and to this hexamine was added to maintain the pH between 5 to 6. Few drops of xylene orange indicator was added and the resulting solution was titrated against standard lead nitrate taken in the burette till the color changes from orange to violet. The burette readings were noted down and the experiment was repeated to get the concordant values. From the burette readings, volume of EDTA was calculated by multiplying molarity of lead nitrate with volume of lead nitrate and dividing it with molarity of EDTA. Further, volume of the EDTA consumed is equal to 20 minus 10.6, which is the calculated volume of EDTA, which gives the value of 9.4 ml. Molarity of chromium in the mixture was calculated by multiplying molarity of EDTA with volume of EDTA and dividing the value with volume of metal mixture. The amount of chromium in liter of the mixture solution was calculated by multiplying the molarity of chromium with molecular weight of chromium.